Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solve a nice easy exponential math problem. This question is 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 18. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting exponential math problem? So first of all, our math solution here, 3 to the power x is common. So if I take 3 to the power x is common, so this divide this, it will be 1, plus this divide this, it is also 1, this divide this, it is also 1, is equal to 18. Now here 3 to the power x, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 3, is equal to 18. Now if I divide both sides by 3, you can see easily this 3 cancel out. It will be 3 to the power x is equal to 18 divided 3, it will be 6. Now at this moment I use both side natural log. I want to find out here is x is equal to what. So if I use both side natural log, log 3 to the power x is equal to log 6. Now according to natural log formula, we know that this x move on here. We know that log a to the power r is equal to r log a. According to this formula, this x move on here, so it will be x log 3 is equal to log 6. If I simplify this, it will be 3 times 2. You know that 3 times 2 will be 6. Now here x log 3 is equal to, you know that log ab, it will be log a plus log v. According to this formula, I mean if I apply this math formula here, it will be log 3 plus log 2. Now at this moment if I divide both sides by log 3, it will be x is equal to log 3 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. I divide both sides by log 3. Now here x, it will be log 3 over log 3, it will be 1 plus, and if I apply this natural log formula here, so it will be log 2 base 3. This is our final answer in this exponential math problem. Now let's check out or let's verify our question. It will be 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 18. This is our question. Now at this moment you can see here 3 to the power x, it will be 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus 3 to the power 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus 3 to the power 1 plus log 2 base 3 is equal to 18. Now here 3 to the power 1, according to exponential formula, a to the power n plus m, it will be a to the power n times a to the power m. So it will be 3 to the power log 2 base 3 and 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power log 2 base 3 and 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power log 2 base 3 is equal to 18. Now here 3 and this formula, it will be 2 plus 3 and it is also 2, 3 and it is also 2 is equal to 18. Now here 6, this is 6, this is 6, so 6 plus 6 plus 6, it will be 18 is equal to 18. Here left hand side and right hand side both sides is equal, so you can see easily x is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 3. This is our final answer in this exponential math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.